So in this video, you'll learn how to change the network mode on your Samsung Galaxy A16. So the first step is to open the Settings app, and in Settings, you want to select Connections, and then under Connections, you want to tap on Mobile Networks. From here, you should see Network Mode. If you have two SIM cards added onto your phone, you should see SIM 1 and SIM 2. So to change the network mode, it's fairly simple. Start by selecting either SIM if you have two added, and then you should see the different options that you have available. So you have the 4G, 3G, /2G, 3G only, or 2G only. So it's up to you to decide which option you would prefer to use. So whenever you select one, wait a few seconds for the changes to be applied, and that will be your new network mode. You can also choose to scroll down, select the 2G option only, or any other option that you would prefer to use. You can do the same for SIM 2 if you also have it installed onto your phone. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.